Jeff Stern joins us now with a check on Wall Street. And Jeff, kind of a drama-less week on Wall Street. That was a good thing. And how did the markets do this week?
Scott, it seemed pretty boring out there, that's for sure. But the Dow 0.6% for the week, hit new highs yesterday. S&P was actually up a full percentage point, that is. And the NASDAQ led the way again, around 2% for the week. We know consumer spendings are not spending the way they used to. That was down for the month of June. Honda had a big recall, as we all heard this morning. And we just heard as well, President Trump was in France. So nothing too exciting going on, but the markets are up. Woke up this morning, the futures were down, so let's see how we're currently trading. The Dow Jones Industrial Average at 21,561, up 8 points, 0.04%. NASDAQ's trading at 6,294, up 20 points, leading the way 1/3%, while the S&P 2,451 up 4 points, just shy of 1/4%.
And Jeff, a few of the big banks reporting earnings today. How do they look so far?
Scott, JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, and Citi came out with earnings and they crushed them. Financials hit their highs in March, but although JP Morgan crushed it with $1.82 per share, much higher than expected, revenue was $26.41 billion. They were expecting only $24.9. Loans climbed 9%. They give that a lot of credit. And they announced they're going to buy back $19.4 billion worth of their shares over the next year. Wells Fargo came in well done as well, $22.17 billion in revenue. Net income was $5.8 billion, and they had $1.07 per share. Growth 10%. Their big thing was their credit cards. Citi's revenue came in strong as well, $17.9 billion, much higher than they expected. Earnings per share was $1.28 versus the $1.21. And we all know that as interest rates rise, it really helps the bank. So we should continue to see them, because when they have loans out there, they can make a higher profit when the spread's much higher. So far for the year, Citigroup's leading the way out of all three stocks, Scott.
All right, Jeff. Thanks so much for the update.
Have a great weekend.
You too.